Bad breath. It's embarrassing, frustrating, and often misunderstood. But if you've ever dealt with it, especially the stubborn kind that just won't go away, you might be overlooking a hidden culprit. Tonsil stones. Small, white or yellowish lumps that form in the back of your throat. They're not just unpleasant, they smell terrible. That's because they're made of bacteria, food particles, mucus, and dead cells, trapped and rotting inside the tonsil crevices. And yes, they can be a major cause of chronic bad breath. But here's the good news. You can treat both bad breath and tonsil stones naturally, without harsh chemicals or expensive procedures. It starts with your mouth. A dry mouth is a breeding ground for odor-causing bacteria. So the first step is hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Moisture helps flush bacteria and keeps your breath fresher. Next, target your tongue. Most of the bacteria that cause bad breath live on the back of the tongue. Use a tongue scraper daily, not just your toothbrush, to gently clean off the buildup. Now let's talk about salt water. A warm saltwater gargle helps dislodge small tonsil stones, soothe inflammation, and kill bacteria. Do it morning and night for best results. Oil pulling is another powerful natural remedy. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes each morning can reduce harmful bacteria, pull toxins from your gums, and improve your overall oral health. Don't forget your diet. Sugary and acidic foods feed bacteria. Fresh, crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples and carrots naturally scrub your teeth and stimulate saliva. Add probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir to support the good bacteria in your mouth and throat. And for a deeper cleanse, try apple cider vinegar. Dilute a teaspoon in a glass of water and gargle. Its natural acidity helps break down the material that forms tonsil stones and neutralizes odor. Some people also benefit from nasal rinses. Mucus from sinus issues can drip into the throat, feeding bacteria around the tonsils. A simple saline rinse can keep your airways clear and reduce the debris that leads to stone formation. Most importantly, practice consistent, mindful oral hygiene. Brush twice a day, floss daily, and check the back of your throat regularly. Use a natural mouthwash without alcohol to keep bacteria in check without drying your mouth. Tonsil stones and bad breath aren't just surface issues, they're signals. Your body is telling you something isn't balanced. But with the right habits, the right foods, and a little patience, you can clear the problem at the root and breathe easy again, naturally, simply, powerfully. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.